Hey guys, it is Andrea and today I am coming at you with a different video. I don't know if I'm gonna make this one video or like a couple part series or something, but this is Emily, my employee's sticker collection, and I'm actually gonna do like a split screen right now, and I know I look like poop, but I'm going to give my reaction to this mess. Look at this. It's massive. So she didn't give me her kits, but she gave me everything else. Emily does live videos on her Instagram sometimes, and whenever she's planning, I get low-key anxiety watching her flip through all of her stuff and try and find things. So I was like, hey Emily, why don't you give me your collection and I'll make a video out of me organizing it. It smells like Emily in here. So she put everything in this HEB bag. She said it was to hide it all, and she was like, I need to see a reaction. It literally smells like Emily inside that bag. Oh my god. Girl, why? This is just a pile of stickers. Oh no. Oh dear, look at it. That's insanity. You're going to see me looking up a lot. That's because my camera's up there, but oh my goodness. Okay, and then, what the heck? She has all of these albums, which are ours, so good for repping SPC, right? But she, like, how many of them do you need, Emily? Oh my god. And then I gave her this little thing, which, cute. So these are all, so there might be some unreleased stuff in here, possibly. Oh, I could steal those. Actually needed some of those for next week. And then she has, let's see, these guys here, which are, again, SPC related. They are Happy Scrappy collabs. I don't even know what's in these. We're going to go through everything and see, like, what she has and what we can do here. This one's, like, a really thin envelope, album. And then we have some, oh, my God. Why, Emily? And they're all in a sloth bag, which is appropriate. And then we have a bunch of photo albums here. These look like all date night stickers. She has an album of just date night stickers. Wait, Together is a Favorite Place to Be? Are they like themed happily ever after? These are more love stickers. Emily. Food, and then she has like sticky notes on things. Food and drinks. Oh dear. There is a sloth eating a taco. Why anyone needs it, I'm not quite sure. I feel like I should do a declutter for you, Emily, because some of these are like really old, or I feel like you'll never possibly use them. Oh my god. I feel like I needed her to declutter this prior. And then this one is very vague. It's sports, social media, phone, travel, computer, finance, game night, friends, planners, shopping, and doctor. So I like how she has that all in one and then two dating ones. Okay. Food and drinks. Oh dear. Okay, food and drinks, and then seasonal with a bunch of random little stickers there, which she has like 4 categories in there. Okay, so those are those, and then these are all unorganized, which is atrocious, Emily. And then we have, I don't even know, emojis, and then I'm assuming Clever Gal Craft stickers. Oh dear. And then she has all of her samplers in here, anything small from our shop, I assume. And then this is multicolor, which actually looks fairly well organized. I think she has them organized how I would organize them. I didn't even think of her to organize them in here. I might actually have to do that. And then this one is larger foil sheets, maybe? Oh. Okay, larger foil sheets. And then she has, what the heck? Jeez, Emily, do you have enough, like, oh my god, there's stuff everywhere. And then these, I actually saw these and I was like, Emily, what are you doing? This is Viv Wiggle. So she has all of her Wiggle Wednesdays in here, but they don't fit in here anymore. Unless she just doesn't bring home the bottom washi overlays. No, those look old. And then she has silver in this one. I just feel like organizing it by color is not efficient. And then we have gold, and then we have a hollow, I'm assuming. Okay. Some of these are hollow, some of these are like, no, I guess they're all hollow. So I don't really know what she was planning on doing with this, because this looks like mostly, if not all, no, I guess it's not all foil. Oh my god. So there's like a lot of foil in here, and I don't really know what her plan was to get those in these. So I'm thinking we're going to need a whole new organization system, and plus her characters are a mess. So the whole kind of thought process behind this little like video is to organize her stash, especially this. She like always would be on like Instagram Live and being like, I'm just going to look for this one sticker sheet. And I'm like, Emily, no. So maybe we can... I just don't feel like this is very efficient either. Because there's also like scripts in here too. We're going to fix you up, Emily. I didn't even realize that these were so like light. Oh, goodness. So, oh my goodness. I don't even know where to start. Because then there's some scripts in here. Oof. And there's some things on the back and some things not on the back. So I feel like we're not utilizing our space here better. And I think it's hilarious that she has 2 full albums of couple stickers. Emily. And she's going long distance with her man too. So you're not going to need this many. So we're going to try and condense and organize this a little bit better. So let's actually go through and see what's in this bucket here, because I'm quite curious, because we're going to need to organize it a little bit more anyways. I think I might see if I can make this like a 10-minute video, just like a little introduction to what I'm doing. And then we'll come back with like a not face-to-face of like what is actually going on. So a lot of this, I think some of it's actually not released yet. But there's also wiggles and stuff in here that are just like rogue, and full box overlays that are rogue. I think that this, what makes sense for this is that it's probably stuff, one, that she got in and never put away, or things that she, like, what is this even? Oh my god. Things that she got in and never put away, or things that she was using, like, while filming a plan with me. This is like a stack straight from work. Things that she, like, was using in a plan with me and then just, like, threw in this bin afterwards. Yeah, there's like unreleased stuff in here, so you guys might get a little peeky. And then there's like a rogue. I wish she'd gave me her kits, because I feel like those are probably equally unorganized. Maybe I'll grab those from her. I'll have her bring them in. Oh, and then there's like a ton of character stickers on the bottom, guys. This is going to be a workout. So if you guys want to see more of this, this is like the introduction. I can't obviously go through every single sticker sheet. So this is like the little introduction. I think a 10-minute introduction is good. You guys have something to look forward to. I'm probably going to do like a sped up of me like sorting through everything. I'm rolling up my sleeves, and you guys will see the next portion in a couple of days, because this is going to take me a minute to go through. Let me know what you guys think down below. Let me know whatever your guys' collection looks like. Let me know if this is something that you guys would want somebody to do for you, to like organize your stash for you. Let me know any organizing tips you have. Just discuss in the comments, and I will talk to you guys in the next portion. Okay, so this is everything that was in her bucket of junk. So this is all of her unorganized character stickers, which is quite a bit. So this is all unorganized character stickers. These are kind of like functional type stickers, I guess. So putting those over there. These are my multicolor and then some Clever Gal craft stickers, which I'm assuming go with the other ones. This was kind of like a non-foiled item. These are non-SPC foiled items. I mean, I'm sure I have no, I don't even think I have this many foiled items on me. So honestly, like, I don't think I do, at least. And then this is all of her SPC foiled items, which is quite a bit, Emily. There's like a ton here. Like a lot. So this is like, this isn't even all of her foil. So this is like some of her foil. So that is non-SPC foil. And I separated them by SPC and non-SPC because I can like quickly organize mine, I feel like, because I know what the sheets are. The rest of them I'm like kind of like half confused on what some of the sheets are. So I'm going to have to like better organize those. So her functional stickers seem to be like decently well organized. And then the character ones I'll probably do last. So she has this little foil thing, which also seems decently organized. I feel like she already filled it up, which is wild. And then she has all of these, which I'm just honestly going to take out of here because, and I'll sort them on camera with you, so non-SPC. I don't really feel like there's a ton of rhyme or reason why these are organized the way they are. We've got some like rose gold icons. We have rose gold. Emily, why do you even have baby stickers? You're not in the market for a baby. Okay. So I guess these are all rose gold. Or maybe. Here's rose gold. Some more rose gold. Oh my goodness. We have silver. So I'm assuming what she did here was organize her larger sticker sheets that didn't fit into the small organizers. This was back when she was organizing, because I'm thinking what happened was that she just quit organizing and just started throwing things in a pile, which is not good. We have bottom washy stuff. So this is actually like decently organized. Just feel like we need to further organize it. I'm like confused in my piles now. We have gold. This SPC pile is getting a little big. And then I'm probably actually going to empty out all of the little albums too, just to have everything like freshly out. And then I'll go through and kind of more in depth. Oh goodness, there's more. Okay, this is actually unreleased, so I'm going to just put these in her little bin. Okay. So that is that album. So I'm going to actually go through, sped through, and open these ones. Okay, so I finally got through everything. The only things that I didn't take it out, which I kind of want to, because I feel like, why do we have a whole album dedicated to Clever Doll Crafts whenever we have 4 sheets of them? So I can probably organize these a little bit better, I think. I can find a way, because that's how many sheets we're looking at, right? Here. Oh, there's one more. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so let's go through that one. So that is all the Clever Doll Crafts sheets that we're looking at, but we'll find a way to organize those. Maybe we can organize them with the functional stickers. I think they kind of go together. And then there's a couple other like random ones that I think are kind of more on the functional side. So we're going to put those aside. I have a couple wiggles that she had organized, but I didn't want to like throw in the pile because it's already getting crazy. So this is the end game of her non-SPC foil. This is the end game of the character stickers, which it looks like a lot, but it's a lot, but it's not as much as I thought it would be. And then this is the SPC foil, which is where it gets a little tricky. Well, that's what we're at with the SPC foil. So if you work at SPC, your foil collection gets a little out of hand a little fast, because you get all of the stuff that hasn't been released yet, and you can take as much home as you want. So you stock up. I always joke with like Kirsten, because Kirsten brings home like every single kit and like hoards kits for like years, and like I'll like bring kits back to the shop and do like misfits with them if I don't use them. But Kirsten's like, no, I'm gonna use it one day. And I'm always like, Kirsten, are you like saving up like for one day, like when you're gonna quit, so that like you don't have to buy stickers after that? It's just like a joke that I'm like, she's preparing to quit. That's why she always brings home so many kits, so she's good for the next like 10 years whenever she finally leaves me, which I don't think. Never, Kirsten, never. Kirsten and Emily are mine forever. But that is everything. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this up. So maybe this will be like one video. I don't know. We'll see. I don't know how I'm going to separate this. Maybe this will be a part of the last video, but I'll know what's what. So this is where we're at right now. I actually think this would be a really beautiful thumbnail. Yeah, let's do it.